Yo, have you heard of the AS Color block tee? Let's talk about it. What's happening, everybody? Your boy Big Brando, and today we're gonna be talking all about the AS Color block tee. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I just recently seen it on their site. I've never seen it before or heard of it before. I bought this t-shirt with my own money just to test out because I was curious. Now, if you know anything about AS Color, I like the AS Color Classic. That's what this t-shirt right here is printed on. This is an extra large AS Color Classic t-shirt that's been washed numerous of times. I've had this t-shirt for a very long time and it's been washed a ton of times. And this is how it fits. This is how it looks. It's a little faded, but not that faded. The color stays pretty good. The collar stays good and the fit feels great to me. This is a really, really dope t-shirt. So we're gonna use this t-shirt that I'm wearing right here kind of as the control t-shirt just to be able to compare it to something. The difference between the AS Color Classic and the AS Color block tee that I know right out the gate is this t-shirt is a side seam t-shirt, meaning there's a seam coming down the middle right here on both sides. There's a seam that comes down the middle. That means it's a piece of cotton, they put them together, they sew the sides up. That's a side seam t-shirt. The block tee, here's the tag right here. I don't know if the camera's picking up this tag or if it's in focus or not, but the block tee is a tubular shirt, meaning there is no seam down the side. So here's the side of the t-shirt. I'm gonna open it up. There's no seam. It's a tubular t-shirt. This is what the standard, like regular blank t-shirts that most of us use is tubular t-shirts. This is AS Color's one and only tubular t-shirt that I know of, that I've been looking at. The staple tee, the basic tee, the classic tee, regular heavy tee, all of those AS Color models are side seam shirts. This one right here is tubular, and that's why it piqued my interest. So I got them in my size, but I also got the oversized version and the regular version. So I'm gonna try them out, test them out. I'm gonna wear them. I'm gonna show you what it looks like so you guys get a better understanding, because we're learning at the same exact time here. I just got these in, went and picked them up, opened up the package, checked them out, said, oh man, let me make a video of this. I'm gonna try them on, see what they fit like. You'll get the very first reaction. These are fresh out the package, from my house to the shop to the camera. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, see what these things fit like. All right, so like I said, this is the control shirt. This is the AS Color Classic tee that I always use and wear. This is what it fits like. This is an extra large. This t-shirt has been washed a ton of times. This is what the sleeves look like. They fall right above my elbow, if you could see that. The shoulders are basically right at my shoulders. This is what the t-shirt looks like. Spin around, boom. AS Color Classic t-shirt after it's been washed. Now let's try these block tees. All right, I had to switch the camera to the handheld mic because I didn't have time to clip it on this one. But this is the AS Color block tee, the standard regular block tee, extra large. This is what it fits like right here. This is what the sleeves look like. Seems like the shoulder drops just about the same as the AS Color Classic one. The sleeves land right at my elbows. That makes sense. Here's the elbows. There's the sleeve. Let me get a close-up of the neckline. There you go. This is the AS Color block tee. Also, these sweat shorts right here from AS Color too. These are the relaxed shorts, but we're not talking about the shorts right now. Now let me try on the oversized AS Color block tee in extra large. All right, now here's the oversized t-shirt on. Once again, this is extra large. I can already tell that the sleeves are way longer and the shoulders drop down way, 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 way lower. So here's my elbow. You could see where the sleeve lands. Once again, this is extra large. My build is 220 pounds, about 5'10". This thing is definitely oversized. kind of fits like a football jersey almost. That's what it feels like on. Very boxy cut, oversized for sure. You could tell a big difference between the regular one and this one. Sleeves are a lot longer. I haven't had a t-shirt fall below my elbows in a very long time. I know this is kind of a trendy thing, but not so much for myself. But for the people looking for this option, here it is right here. Once again, this is the block oversized shirt from AS Color. I forgot, let me get a close-up of the collar here for you. There you go. All right, there you have it. That's what it looks on. So for myself, dimensions, 220 pounds, about 5'10". I normally wear extra large t-shirts. Give or take 2X, extra large, depends how much the shirt shrinks. With these AS Color shirts, they don't shrink as much. Like I said, this is an extra large AS Color shirt that I've had forever. I've washed it, dried it. If you wanted to see wash test results of the AS Color Classic shirt, I have it on my channel already. You could just use the YouTube search bar, type in Big Brando AS Color Classic or Big Brando wash test. The videos you want will pop up. Now, for the block shirt, the cotton they use feels good. Feels way better than like the standard 1301 Shockaware Active Pro Club Comfort. The cotton already feels way softer, way better. But it's not like super thin and like see-through, but it feels good. So whatever type of cotton they use, I don't know if it's ring spun or combed, or I don't know what type of cotton, it already feels better. But the fit to me feels like the old 1701 from Alstyle. I don't know if that makes any sense. For those that know what the 1701 versus the 1301, like the old Alstyle t-shirt, this block shirt has that same similar fit. That's what this reminds me of. The collar feels the same. The fit and cut of the shirt feel the same. Sleeves feel the same. Length, everything about this shirt. I wish I still had a 1701 that I could compare it to, but this reminds me of the old Alstyle 1701 t-shirt, which is really dope because I'm thinking about switching over and using these now for everything I do retail related based on just the actual fit and feel of this shirt. The cotton feels better, the weight feels good, and the collar feels good. To me, these are things that I like in t-shirts, is when the cotton feels good on the body, obviously. When the sleeves aren't too long or too short, I like them to land just right above the elbow. And I don't like the length to be too long or too short. I don't know how many times I've washed the old Gildan t-shirt. Like, let's say I buy a t-shirt from like a Harley Davidson spot out of state or something, and they print on a Gildan t-shirt. I take it, I wear it, I wash it, and then it shrinks up all weird. Like the width stays the same, but the length shrinks up, and then the sleeves do something weird also. I hate when that happens because then the t-shirt's not wearable no more. If I'm wearing jeans and I put my arms up, then you can see my belt and basically a little bit of my midsection. I'm like, man, that's not the look I'm going for. So I like a little bit of length to the t-shirt, not to where it's super long, but just right in that good space. These are things that I look for in these t-shirts. So that's why I've always wore the classic t-shirt. I don't offer the classic t-shirt on everything I print in my store because this t-shirt is a little bit more expensive than regular blank t-shirts. But as far as what t-shirts I like to wear personally, this is one of them. The AS Color Classic shirt is top tier for myself. So being able to offer something that feels like this as a tubular shirt that has a good soft hand feel at a good price point is something I want to offer my customers. These tags are removable, for one, so I could still press my own in. I need to go back and look at what the color offerings are, but I want to say they had all the standard stuff: black, white, gray, red, blue. I think they had a brown and a tan, and maybe a like an army green or olive green or something like that. I got to go back and look. But this t-shirt right here, I'm very, very happy with. Now the oversized t-shirt, not for me. This isn't what my customers like to wear. This isn't something that I like to wear. The sleeves were a little too long for myself. I'm guessing if I had to wear this, maybe I had to get a large to size it down a little bit, but the sleeves were a little bit too big. The shoulders dropped down a little too low. I know that's what this t-shirt is for. So for the people that are looking for good, affordable, oversized shirts, this AS Color block oversized tee might be a good option for you. It's not really the look that I go for or anything that I wear normally, but I know there's a lot of brands out there that print on oversized shirts. So this might be a good option for you if you wanted to check that out. But the regular block tee, I can find myself stocking my entire retail store with things printed on this shirt because of the feel of this shirt. And like I said, it's a tubular shirt and not side seamed. Does that make a difference? Nah, but I have seen some side seam shirts that like turn the cotton weave one way on the back and then the other cotton on the front, and then when it washes, it like shrinks up all weird. Like it's all kind of like crooked. I've seen that happen before, not with these shirts, but in the past I have. So that's what always made me go and lean towards tubular shirts. But this one right here is dope, man. So shout out to the block shirt. I'm glad I seen this on the site, and I'm glad the homie Kenji from I Can Do It Studio mentioned this last time he was in the store. He was like, hey, did you check out the block tee? And I said, man, I don't even know what you're talking about. So I went ahead, looked online, seen it, ordered some, picked them up, and here I am trying it out for you live in person. So shout out to this shirt. Shout out to AS Color also. I hope you guys stay in Carson because it's so convenient for myself to pick up t-shirts from you guys. And I'm glad I found this shirt. Now, if you have questions about anything that I talked about or shown in this video right here, let me know in the comments. It's always easier to ask your questions in the comments for me than it is to email or direct message or private message me. I see the comments first every single time, and that's where I'm likely to respond. So leave it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.